Question number 38. A beam of monochromatic radiation. What is monochromatic radiation? Lambda is same. Made up of frequencies, made up of photons, each of momentum p. Okay. The intensity of the beam is doubled. Intensity is doubled. What is intensity? Intensity is given by the expression energy per unit area into time. This is what is given, right? What is the momentum of intensity is doubled now. Okay, so intensity I dash is equal to 2 times I. Remember, I refers to intensity without changing the frequency. Frequency remains a constant. Okay. What is the momentum of each photon after change? Okay, momentum. Now you see, momentum P, how is it been given for a photon? So this can be written by h by lambda, right? H by P equal to lambda or P equal to h by lambda. You can see this. Or you can also say E is equal to hc by lambda. You can write like this also here. Or you can write this as h by lambda is equal to P into C. Now what does he say? He says that the energy, the frequency is not changed, which means energy remains the same. If energy remains the same, then C remains the same, H remains the same, lambda is once again the same, you are not changing the wavelength, then P should also remain the same, right? P should not change. By changing the intensity, what do you mean by changing intensity? Okay, you are putting more number of photons, okay, in a short interval of time. Okay, so what do you mean by that? It means that, let us say for example, I'll just give an example, take some more time. Let us say 10 photons are incident, okay, over an area in a given time interval. Okay, now when I say double the intensity, which means what? I am making 20 photons to be incident over the same area in the same time. That's what I'm doing. So A and T are not changed. Only this number of photons is changed. The number of photons is changed. Does it mean that any property is changing? No property is changing, right? So therefore, your photons momentum, your wavelength, your frequency, everything remains the same. Okay, so no need to consider anything. So the answer is only B over here.